Isn't it awkward at Christmas dinner every year when we try to decide who gets the drumstick? Like, come, you take the drumstick. No lah, you take. No lah, give a boy. This year, we're making things simple. No need to process the whole bird, no need to carve the turkey, no need to choose who gets the drumstick. Today, we're making garlic roasted chicken leg. First, let's talk garlic. We are roasting them today to get that deep, sweet, caramelized flavor. 30 minutes later, no, I know it looks gross, but it's like very delicious. Now we're gonna mix the roasted garlic with some butter and herbs to get a beautiful compound butter that you can not only just use for this, but also for garlic bread. If you want to save some time, use a blender. I just really don't want to wash the blender, that's why. Now I'm gonna refrigerate this. It looks a bit weird, but it is very tasty.
I am really violating it.
Karin, why you keep laughing? This is just food. Try to get the butter in between the skin and the flesh to keep the legs as juicy as possible when we roast them. Welcome back. Now that the chicken is ready, we're gonna use the leftover juices from the pan to make a simple pan gravy that will go well with everything and anything on the dinner table. Haha! Chicken leg. Oh my god, it's so juicy. So moist, so juicy. Oh my god, so flavorful. You really can taste that garlic butter inside the chicken. Damn.
John, is it when you're young, you always don't get chicken leg?
You get a chicken leg! 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 You